So, would you date an alcoholic? Well, I recently dated one, as in so recent, as in yung last date. It started good. It started fantastic. Parang walang problema. And then I saw it on the second day, third day, that he was actually consuming like a bottle of that liquor a day. Okay? And I thought that I can save him from himself, from killing himself. So, ganun pala yun. It's hard to deal with somebody who's in the cycle of alcoholism. They would say things and then the next day, nag-iiba. So, it's like, just like other addiction, I guess. You know, lies. And then, yun na nga, nag-iiba yung story. And then, what's crazy is, medyo na-hit yung kamay ko eh. You know, when he didn't like something, ginano niya ako on my hand. So, I was alerted, like, oh my God, like, am I gonna, experience another kind of abuse here? You know, I was a victim of a domestic violence previously in my life, and I don't want it to happen again. So, na-trigger yon. Of course, na-trigger yon. Like, and then, also, in public, he raised his voice. So, for me, like, it's crazy that in the beginning, it was okay. And then, in a span of only 24 hours, the person changed. He said some things that, can't be repaired. There were cursing, but it just went ugly and uglier by the day. What would my kids think if I tell them, oh, this guy said that he can sleep with other women now while he's with me? Ano ka? Sinuswerte. Feeling niya, kaya niya ako. Maybe for other girls, okay lang yun. Right? He's like, if I become the stepdad, then, I'm going to be supporting. I don't mind if you don't work and stuff like that. But I said, that's never going to happen. I will always work and I will always have my own money and business and all this. I'm not going to drop everything just because you will provide. I said all of that, right? Like, very serious. I want to meet your kids. I want to meet your family. And I made a mistake. I made a mistake to actually introduce my kids, as in person. And then the next day, basta may mga nasabi siyang hindi maganda. I'm not even gonna say it because it's embarrassing for him and for me. But I put my foot down. Hindi po pwede yun na you talk to me like that. You talk to me, Abby Siwa. Nagkamali siya. It's not okay that he is so irresponsible with how he says things. He thinks that it's okay, that, he's a foreigner, na kaya niya lahat. I have a lot of foreigner friends. Not everyone is like that. But there are some who think they come here, they have the money, and they think they can do whatever they want. So, I want to give this guy a lesson. I'm thinking pa kung ano. But definitely, I will file a report that ito yung mga ginawa niya, ito yung mga sinabi niya, and hindi okay yun sa akin. I'm doing this report, matauhan siya, and so that tumigil siya sa kayabangan niya, because baka ulitin na naman and may ma-victimize. Hopefully, by this move, I can save Filipinas from him, because I'm sure uulitin niya yan. He's gonna get drunk, he's gonna piss off people, he's gonna be rude to somebody, right? And ito nga pala yung pinaka-annoying sa lahat is he's so ungrateful, because I actually opened up businesses for him here. I mean, business opportunities, business connections and all. And then he questions my ability to do business. I mean, what kind of person is this, right? You're like spoon-feeding all the connections and giving him leverage and, vouching for him, giving him a good word to all your networks, and then ito yung sasabihin. Right? Ungrateful MF talaga. Grabe. Yan yung lasing. Yan yung drunk, alcoholic na tao. Kaya never again. And I tell you, don't date anyone who's alcoholic. At least yung somebody who doesn't want to be helped and who says wrong things and who is abusive of his words towards you and who hits you. Hiwalayan mo na yan pag may ganyan. Kasi paulit-ulit yan and then you're just gonna put yourself in a risky situation. You're gonna risk your life. Kaya hindi okay yun. Pag may nakita kayong ganyan na sinaktan kayo ng konti or like tumaas yung boses or in-embarrass kayo in public, cut it. Okay, huwag kayong manghinayang because that person will repeat it and it's gonna be worse. It won't be worth it. Kaya, hiwalayan nyo na yan. And kung ako sa inyo, find another person who will respect you, who will listen to you, and hindi yung ganyan. Right? You know what's crazier? You introduce me as a girlfriend and then tell somebody na hindi daw. What? Ang baliw! Take note that I was calm the whole time. As in, nagulat ako na suddenly nag-raise ng voice na ganon. Kasi nga lasing, right? When somebody is so drunk, tumataas yung boses, hindi niya na alam, may mga nakikinig. Yun yung problema dun sa lasing or lasinggero. Yun.